In a recent interview with Xinhua, a senior Red Cross official said that countries enduring conflicts are highly vulnerable to climate risks due to their limited adaptive capacity. Robert Mardini, Director General of the International Committee of Red Cross, made the remarks on the sidelines of the 27th session of the Conference of the Parties to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, currently being held in Egypt's Red Sea resort city of Sharm el-Sheikh.
Yeah, so the ICRC's three main asks coming to COP27 is really that parties really acknowledge that countries affected by armed conflict are the least ready to adapt to climate change. First, that parties should also bolster climate action and step up support for those very countries and communities affected by armed conflict. And third, that this climate action is supported by adequate climate finance. In other words, climate action should be bolstered and climate finance should be pulled towards communities and people affected by armed conflict.
The Red Cross official said that the ICRC seeks to draw attention to the humanitarian consequences of climate risks and environmental degradation on conflict-affected populations. Among these countries are Afghanistan, Somalia, Mali, and Yemen, Mardini cited, noting that such countries are vulnerable to droughts, floods, insect plagues, and changing rainfall patterns.